Hello guys, hello everyone. Oh, I just ate something. Sorry, that's why I cleaned my mustaches. In my background now you can see city Salta, Argentina. This is a viewpoint, or how they call here in Spanish, Mirador. Because to look somewhere in Mira, the place to look is Mirador. Fantastic, beautiful viewpoint. Uh, City Salta, northwest of Argentina. Cable car road, funicular, cable car road, teleférico. Here is pretty cold and pretty high. And I'm so happy that I took the warm jacket from Peru, Ministerio de la Mujer. Mis amigo regalar mi esta casaca. My friend present me this in Peru. And right now I'm in my last city, I hope, from this terrible country. Don't ever go to Argentina. Don't ever even try to go here. This city had a millions of population, a lot of them. I don't remember how much, but I think a lot. Uh, Here we have also one Saint Father, the monument of Saint person. I don't know who is it, but it's like a Saint Ignatius, or I don't remember. I will tell you later. I'm gonna tell you later. We also can see at least two stadiums in the city. Christus vivit reglat imperat. 19. Okay, we have one cross. Cross is written something on the Bible from Bible. 1901. Uh, uh, Here everyone is Catholics. In 1901, it was put here this cross. Don't ever go to Argentina, guys. Don't forget it. Here we have beautiful city, a lot of clouds, and today we're gonna have a rain. We're going to have a rain. What else? What else? I can tell you something else. Let's go to check this same person. And now on my background you can see the letters which can explain you how is called this city. Yes, that is the name of the city. Oh, this is Teleférico. Look, where is it? Teleférico, cable car road, like in the mountains. You see? For stupid tourists, you have to go by this. But I'm not stupid, and I came here by foot. Um, I'm gonna tell you later what is the name of this same person. Uh, by his name, this mountain have a name of this person. I think it's San Felipe or something like that. Bueno. Uh, Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give me a like, write me nice comments, please. Share this video with your friends. Push the button, bell near the button subscribe. Make it in a black color, please. Share this video with your friends, and please write me nice comments. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like to this video. I'm a tourist guide and professional traveler who is traveling around the world 9 years absolutely for free. Everything gonna be good if you gonna follow my advices. 85 countries on my background, on my experience. Enjoying this view together, guys. Hug you, everyone. Let's be peace. See you at the end of the world. Thank you for watching.